Mama Jumbo.
You pretty?
No, sir. Boss.
You pretty?
Sorry.
Daddy! Where you are?
How strong my mama is. Yes, mama. Yes, mama. What a way you strong, mama.
What are we governing? On the place, you said the cover slide, I was saying.
Lord, have mercy.
Boy, go for your pot. Where your pot? Let me go. Put in the water in it.
Why do you have to put soap in a dish pot?
We're gonna do that big pot. Let me go soapy.
Let me see how you soap it, mama. I'm coming.
Let me come on and say something. You take off your wash. Hey, father, here.
Who is he talking to?
Damn where?
Mama, this looks so nice. So when a pot is shine, soap it.
Use this power. Mama, rinse out this soap out of here. Where? Where come on?
Oh, me and you crab tonight. Remember that I found? So how did... If this clamp you... Okay. Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion and thyme. Mommy.
Eh?
Mama.
Delma, how many cock soap you use? No. Oh, then I already knew so. Oh, yeah, purpose.
Mama, everybody's just coming down on you using your little shucklemans. You don't see, Mama?
Like a chukumen. Chukumen.
Mama, me and you, crab, sea crab.
You like the crab?
I never had it. Mama, you had it?
It's sweetie, sweetie.
You ever had it before, Mama?
Never eat it.
Oh, me and you, Mama.
He ready for me get him. Wash him with all brush.
Mom, the water looks like it needs more seasoning. It looks like it's gonna be fresh, girl.
Whereas,
What?
that's a nice one.
Aunts. What happened, Mama? What story were you saying? It's fresh. You can see. I can't cook and I know the water is fresh.
That's why name back look like hello. See flesh the boil out there. You see flesh on my pot? Eh. It boil too.
Nice?
Mm-hmm. It nice?
What's all this black stuff on it?
Rad.
Yeah.
Why shall find my pot?
Go, sir.
Go for a base and stuff, me put it like here.
I want to try it, Mama. It smells too raw for me. Let me just try it. It's hot, hot. Whew. Yo.
Eat it, huh? Sweetie, sweetie.
The smell alone. It's too raw for me. Ooh. Mom, go. Mama, how does the crab taste?
Nice. Nice stuff. Tasty. Coolie.
What is this on here? Let me not smell it. The smell alone is driving me crazy. Right
That's
here.
somebody I'm gonna eat it. It's nice stuff.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I lie. I don't want to give you.
No, it's
Shell
not.
cut you.
I'm right here. You're good. Oh. Ooby. Ooh. Wait. Oh, the smoke is blinding me. The back is empty though.
Mm-hmm.
What was supposed to be in it?
I shall go for one cover that part there for me.
Let me go get it.
That's what me about you.
Let me go get it. Where is it? Oh my gosh.
You put in some more.
Mom, I don't want no more.
Comes off.
Here's your bowl. I'm done. Guys, look. Mama's
Them like a chin off. Bill man.
Mama's let me show them. What?
Oh.
Why are you holding it like that, scone? Oh, Mama, look, a big piece of flesh fell.
God, this what if I'm here.
Sweet you, Mama?
Mm-hmm. Come on, tough. We're going home. I got home.
Oh, what the way y'all rush me, Mama? Mama. Sweet?
Dry this, give me daddy.
Siobhan, is sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah?
It's different from the normal crab.
I like the other one better. Yeah, look at my mama. Yeah. I have on clothes. Gee. What? No, leave it in Mama's fridge. She has bun. Not true. Yeah, Mama has bun. Look, Mama's enjoying her sea crab. Sweet.
What drinks?
In the fridge, but Daddy's sleeping. I don't want to wake him. Nice.
Make it done.
I want my coconut though.
Oh.
The coconut that
Eat wine too.
in the coconut Junjun shaved it. Mom, can you get my coconut or is it gonna wake Daddy? Junjun shaved the coconut for me.
Oh.
Sweet. Mama, what's your final thoughts on the crab? What's your final thoughts on the crab?
It was meaty.
You like it? What should I bring for you next time? Octopus? Octopus?
Sea cat.
A sea cat?
A sea cat in him.
This is a sea cat?
No, it's a crab.
Oh, a sea cat. Okay. What do you want me to tell Mommy?
No, I ain't catching up myself. It's bad up. I'm super good up. They ain't catching up.
The aftermath.
Tomorrow, me see you.
Yes, Mama. Yes? Did Mama just... Yes? Crab. And Mama's cooking soup.
We up, yeah. Free up, yeah. Balenciaga for instructor. Do them car, bush get the duck, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah.